The benefits of restaurant surveillance systems. If you own a restaurant, installing a surveillance system is a great way to help you protect your business and staff. Surveillance cameras can also be used to monitor your restaurant and help you to provide better customer service. In this post, we'll discuss the different benefits of using a restaurant surveillance system. Surveillance cameras can provide an extra layer of security and help you to deter crime. They can help to discourage theft and vandalism, as well as improve safety by monitoring customer and employee activity. Cameras can also be used to identify potential threats and alert you to any suspicious behavior. Monitoring customer behavior can help you to provide better customer service. You can use closed-circuit television to watch for customer complaints or areas of improvement, as well as monitor any potential health or safety issues. This data can be used to improve customer service and address any issues quickly. Surveillance cameras can also be used to measure performance and employee productivity. You can monitor how employees interact with customers and how efficiently they work, helping you to identify areas where your staff needs more training or assistance. Finally, surveillance cameras can also help reduce your liability and protect your business in the event of a lawsuit. Cameras can serve as evidence in the event of a complaint or investigation, and they can help you to prove that you have taken steps to provide your customers and staff. Overall, a surveillance system can be a valuable asset for your restaurant. It can help to protect your business and provide more meaningful customer service. For a free quote, call 512-331-2788 or visit Dyezz.com.